Hello, this is Viviana Diaz from Argentina. I'm on this platform and I'm going to show you how to record your voice just or straight from the editor. This is the homepage for the Moodle for Teachers Evo 19 and we are going to week 1 task section in order to find the activity we have to do or where we have to put our tutorial. Here we go. Recording from the editor video tutorial. We'll click on that. Wait just a little and there this section is opened. Here you have the discussion topics and the people who delivered those recordings. So we have to click on this blue bar to add our discussion topic, what we want to do, and this section is open and you have here 2 fields which are required. You have to write on them. It's compulsory. So I'm going to write the name of this recording, which will be I'm going to write with capital letters, first video recording here, something like that. Okay, there. In this field we have this icon and what we want to record is our voice. So we should select this icon which is set record audio. We have to just click on that and then start our recording. We have to allow then. So hello, I'm Viviana Diaz, I'm from Argentina and I'm doing my task for this week. So whenever we finish, we stop recording and we have the chance to play it. So if we are sure or we are satisfied with the recording, yes, we should attach it. Or maybe we can record again. So I'm going to attach. It's completed. And here it appears. I can add a message also from this icon. We can choose to write something or just deliver it in that way. Once there, scroll down and you can post to the forum. Click on that. We just wait a few seconds while posted and here it appears. Your post was successfully added and it is right there under the discussion topics, my first video recording. And that's it. Thank you very much.